pag ganun silong.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Initiate retreat. Don't underestimate me. You can always find your own path to becoming a hero. Ah! My gun is still fully charged!
What the fuck? Ay, what the... Nagmura ako.
We can do it! Double kill! The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Now I know better and stronger. I would never back down. Time to shine! An enemy! Eruditio's true power!
Oh, naisisip ko
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
yan, naisisip ko ba na Sonia, silong nila. Buka talaga. Harayo na ako, baya. Madaya kung ano ko, turret. Bobo
The
ka lang.
gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Target locked. Killing spree. Open fire!
Ay, gede lang yan.
Ever thought about getting some training at Antonio has been slain? Bullseye!
Lag.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Your team destroyed a turret.
Naka-destroy ako, baby.
Is this made in Eruditio?
Ay, yung katana sa XP ka. Ano, edi.
Kaya matibay yung ano yung silo.
Don't tell my
Nakaka-heal
grandpa I
screen na
messed
naman
up.
ako. Ayun na ako kung nakaka-heal
Launch
screen.
attack!
Ayun na ako kung may ibang laylaligay. Wala, kita niya. Gari,
Killing spree! Mega kill! Double kill!
Ano
I'm
ito?
powering up! Let the shining star show you the way.
Baka mo na.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Don't make it mamon.
Lag, what the fuck? Hindi, lag.
The gun represents justice. Killing spree!
Dali, silong.
Through science, Eruditio aims to
Bro,
create
di
a
ko na.
better future for all. You destroyed a turret. Now I know better
Lag
and
lang.
stronger. Killing spree! Through science, Eruditio aims to create a better future for all. An enemy has been slain. Ever thought about getting some training at Eruditio? Unstoppable!
Buka ka.
That was an easy kill. Time to
kami ni Silo.
Until you're as brilliant as me.
Ay,
We can do this. Has been
bulo.
slain.
Ayaw magagada na ako hamon.
Launch
Pastay na.
attack.
Pastay na. Dali. Pastay na. Silo.
That one little girl.
Ay, salamat
It's gonna
Lord.
save
Nakain
someone
ano
this
to
time.
ako.
Yun.
Initiate
Ay,
retreat.
gagawin.
Dali mo.
Oh, what the fuck? Di ko na
The gun represents justice. When pointing at launch attack. Keep an eye on the map. That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. Target locked. Our turret has been destroyed. Monster kill. Fire over here. Gun represents justice.
Sabi ano ako?
When pointing at the bad
Simple
guys.
yun. 21 na kita. Oh.
An enemy has been
21 na ba
slain.
kita?
That one little girl.
Sa screen ko, 22.
Hindi ko na magbayan.
You can always find your own path to becoming a hero. Your team destroyed a turret. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys,
Dog ka.
destroyed a turret. Unstoppable.
Unstoppable.
Legendary.
Unstoppable ang pulis. Unstoppable ang pulis. Unstoppable ang pulis.
My shot always finds the target.
Unstoppable.
Legendary.
Unstoppable ang pulis. Gain more XP.
Turret is under attack. I would never back down.
Ito daw mga MVP.
Bullseye.
Exit ka ako ah.
Enemy has been slain. You destroyed a monster kill.
Buah.
Time to shine. Legendary.
Buong.
This made in Aeronesia? Godlike.
Ah, ganun mag-garay. Mano ka digay?
Target locked. Bullseye. That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. Executed.
Ay, manang ganda oh.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at legendary.
Ah, lukad gada na.
Open fire.
Dahil sa iba kang kalawin.
Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary.
Buah.
This city. I won't let anything happen to it. Shut down.
Bago na shutdown lugo daw. Ah, magkapalubog ka, patalo ka ba, no? Patalo yung balubog.
Don't underestimate me.
Igtaba ako na nga ni. Doon, ginay, doon. Di mo ba yan?
An enemy has been slain.
Yan, mas latak-latak ko na. So, tawag ang enemy concedes defeat. Eh, di pa man. Ayun na, oh. Isa MVP daw yun. Gusto ko, adi.
Victory.
Yun ko.
Yeah, MVP.
MVP ako? What the fuck? MVP? What the hell? Thank you, Lord. Eh, what the fuck?
Chocolate. Para sa tinidor.
Oh, sarap sa nagtinidor. Baba. Gusto to ya, warang chocolate. Sinda puro chocolate. Sarap. Baba.